Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
How to view and export Apple Mail mailboxes to IMAP account in some clicks. Let's start by downloading the MBOX Forensics software on Windows supportive system. Now, run the application and open it to learn the easiest way to view, export, and extract Apple Mail mailboxes. As you see, this utility has a simplified and intuitive interface that anyone can use to achieve the task. Now, go to the Open tab and you can see dual modes to upload Apple Mail data. Choose File and choose Folder. Click on Choose Folder and select the Apple Mail folder from the saved location. Wait, the software is analyzing the Apple Mail mailboxes. The tool lists all of the Apple Mail folders in the software interface. Here, click on the desired Apple Mail mailbox that data you want to preview in the software window. As you can see, all the emails in the Apple Mail mailbox are listed one by one. Now, please tap on the email and get its preview in the software interface. This way you can preview the Apple Mail with all the properties and elements such as email properties, signature, sender information, and more. If the email contains any attachment file, then right-click on it, and you will find options of Open, Save, and Save All. Choose the option as per your need. The Export option gives you multiple options to convert Apple Mail messages into standard formats. And Extract tab helps you to take out email addresses, attachments, phone numbers, and more from the emails. So, let's click on the Export tab and select IMAP. Now select Folder for conversion. As you see, there are many options available in the software panel. So, let's first understand them, and it is up to you whether you want to enable the option or not. To create empty folders, please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next is Include Email Header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. The last one is Append to Default Folders. This option is basically for the mapping of the folders such as inbox to inbox, sent to sent, and more. It allows user to insert emails into default mail folders. Now, enter the name of the folder that you want to create in IMAP account containing Apple Mailboxes emails in the Backup Folder Name tab. Then, fill the email address, password, of your IMAP account. Also, fill the server address and port number of your IMAP account. After all, click on the Save button to start the process of Apple Mailboxes to IMAP account migration. Later, the message appears on your screen, declaring that the process to migrate from Apple Mailboxes to IMAP account is completed successfully. The demo edition of the software allows you to export only 10 items from Apple Mailboxes to IMAP account. Click on the OK button. Finally, go to your IMAP account. You will see a folder named as Exported. Tap on it and get the iSwap emails with all properties. That's all for this video. We hope you understand how to view and migrate Apple Mailboxes to IMAP account. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more 4 and 6 software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.